This Marx-Bensdorf Realtors property video is presented by David Tester. Serenely sited across the street from the lake, this well-maintained home just needs a new owner. Great floor plan with areas for different uses, and a superb flow. Open kitchen with casual dining and hearth room. Plus defined living and dining rooms. The luxury primary suite is on the ground floor. Plus dedicated laundry and powder room. 2-car garage too. And there are 3 more bedrooms and another bath up. The rear yard provides a private pool and plenty of grass for outdoor activities. For more information, review the details below or contact David Tester at 901-682-1868.